Polycom VVX 250, 350, and 450 phones, voicemail setup. You're going to see that you have a voicemail button on the phone. When you initially set up this phone and press that voicemail button, it's going to walk you through some setup options. I'm going to go ahead and press that button at this time so you can hear what the options are. Then I'm going to come back and explain the options to you.
Welcome to Subscriber Services. First, I'd like to walk you through some things we need to do to set up your account. You'll have to change your PIN, record your name, and set up a greeting that will be played to callers. Initialization will take about 2 minutes to complete. To skip initialization, press the star key twice at any time. Please enter a PIN for your account.
So I'm going to go ahead and stop that initialization process. What you're going to do is you're going to set up your PIN, your recorded name, and your personalized greeting for your phone once you press that button. As the recording said, it takes about 2 minutes. Once you have that set up, then you're set and ready to receive voicemails from your callers. So I'm going to show you some examples of what the phone looks like when you receive a voicemail. So here's what your phone will look like when you have a voicemail message. And you will see down at the bottom, you're going to see that you have a message, and it'll tell you how many you have. So this one just indicates that you have one message. You also can see right here that your icon has changed, and it looks like that voicemail key, and the phone light is blinking here. So if you have the option set to receive your voicemails on your phone, this is what your phone will look like when you receive a message. To check that message, you're just going to go ahead and press the message button.
Extension 3101. Please enter your PIN.
And then you're going to go ahead and put your PIN in there.
Welcome to the messaging service. You have one new voice message and no saved voice messages.
And
main menu.
You can follow the prompts in order to retrieve, delete, or manage your messages. And those options are on the Polycom quick reference guide that you'll be given by your administrator. So pretty straightforward. You just use those options to delete, transfer your messages, change your greetings, and you can archive or send a copy to someone else. All right, so that is pretty much all of the functions of the Polycom VVX 250, 350, or 450 phone. I hope you enjoyed this video.